the race for a sustainable future, solar energy stands tall. But with massive scale comes an even bigger challenge: maintenance. How do you ensure peak performance across thousands of panels, day after day? Traditional methods are slow, labor-intensive, and can miss the smallest of flaws that have the biggest impact. Introducing the future of solar plant management, Garuda Aerospace drones. We're not just changing the game, we're redefining it. Our advanced drones, equipped with high-resolution and thermal imaging cameras, become your all-seeing eye in the sky. They don't just look, they diagnose. They instantly detect invisible threats like micro cracks, electrical malfunctions, and critical overheating cells long before they lead to failure. This is more than just inspection. It's a complete operational revolution. With Garuda, you unlock unprecedented efficiency. Anomaly detection pinpoints underperforming panels with surgical precision, enabling early maintenance and maximizing your energy output. Our drones provide comprehensive site monitoring, assessing structural health and security from a single flight. From construction tracking to keep your projects on schedule, to automated data and reporting that gives you actionable insights, we cover the entire life cycle of your solar asset. The result? A paradigm shift in how you manage your solar investment. Imagine slashing inspection times by up to 70%, dramatically cutting maintenance costs, and boosting your overall energy production. Garuda drones don't just save you time and money, they future-proof your operations, enhance safety by reducing manual labor, and deliver a clear, data-driven path to a higher return on investment. Don't let inefficiency cast a shadow on your solar potential. Embrace the power of intelligent automation. Partner with Garuda Aerospace, and let's soar towards a brighter, more efficient future together.